Yo, so probably another boring stream, but I hope to get some clips out of it. And speaking of which, maybe we should start this recording thing. Okay. Hotkeys, record. Wait, we also have like the replay buffer. We also have to start and stop that, so I didn't really get that. So we're just gonna do the record. Um, Here. I don't know what a good keybind is. I'll just manually do it. I got Zed editor right here. First install. And we can choose themes. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. After I check the quality on my phone. Let's have a look. Only on YouTube at the moment. Still waiting on my TikTok stream key. Yo, Soundwaves, Joshua, what's up, what's up? Oh, it's pretty good sound quality. Um, this. This one. Yes, this one. I think we can go. Actually cuts off the bottom here. Bit sad. Could do this. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this. I was also serving Open Web UI. We can talk about that later. A lot of shit happening. Yo, lazy. What's up? Yeah, finally got Zed. I've been quite hungover the past couple days, so WSL. No, I'm on my MacBook at the moment. So yeah, what theme? Does anyone? I think I use Solar. No, I don't. What do I use in VS Code? I mean, it's fine. I don't. I don't particularly know. Settings. Theme. Color theme. Dark modern. Interesting. Okay. It's kind of hard to see without code as well. Can we open a project? Will we lose this welcome screen if we do? Gotta find out. Let's get chat games. Use Tokyo Storm. Okay. I like the minimalism. Definitely. Definitely liking the minimalism of Zed and the speed. I think that's kind of like the main points about it is speed, minimalism, AI integrated. Those are kind of like three main points, I think. I think you get free access to Claude, right? If I assume you have to sign in for that. Actually, I haven't looked at any like tutorials or anything. All right, let's see if my keybind for terminal works. No, it doesn't. I didn't really expect it to. So they got control tilde. That's a good keybind. Should we update ZSH? Sure. What else? This theme's pretty nice. Maybe we'll leave it on this. I assume this is the default theme. I also assume we don't have Vim mode on. Yeah, we don't. So how do we get back to that screen? Oh, they have a CLI. Oh, here we go. Open key bindings, open settings. Settings JSON. Damn, I was afraid this would happen. Oh, here we go. Key bindings. Wait, no. Themes. Yes. That one dark one seems pretty good. I kind kind of like a more contrasty one like this. Wait, no, like this. IU dark compared to one dark. It's a bit more like saturated pastel. Yeah, let's try this. Plus Super Maven. So you get Super Maven on this as well. I know they have extensions, right? They have like their own extensions. Assistant panel, chat panel. Oh, you guys can't see that. Let's bring this over here and remove VS Code. So they have a what's this? GitHub Copilot. Okay, GitHub Copilot, terminal, assistance panel, chat panel, notification panel. Damn, YouTube is actually kind of far behind. I haven't dropped any frames. That could be because of my settings. Not sure. I don't think so. Ignore maximum bitrate. I don't know. Not too sure. You have to add it in the JSON. What about like Vim and stuff? Where do we turn that on? Vim support, enable Vim mode. Okay, so it's built in. It's not an extension, and you just press the enable Vim mode. How do I set my init Vim location? Is that possible? Or will it already know? Let's have a look. This is pretty good. No relative numbers. Let's run chat games over here. Okay. How do I get my init Vim? Dude, I love this like search thing that Apple has. Although it's not really helping here, but being able to search through settings is such a useful feature. This JSON doesn't really help much with what settings are available. Hey, I have to like kind of go into their documentation, it seems. Okay. Chat games, but I also need social stream running. Zed dev doc code completion. Zed dev docs. Let's just look at some Zed dev docs. Okay, let's see if these new chats come in. Yo. Yes. Good. Good. Does this extension? Yeah, that's pretty good too. Okay, download Zed. Oh, so you can install with Brew. I think I just downloaded the executable. Command palette. Command Shift P. You can access any functionality that's available. Okay, let's see if I can find the init Vim settings. Command Shift P. Init Vim. Maybe it's like, because in VS Code you have to set the location of your like vimrc or whatever in the settings. But with Zed, it could be the case that you just, oh, if you also go colon, it brings up this. You do it like you do it in Vim. Or it gets the, all right, what about, is there like a quick AI chat? The command palette AI chat. Oh, chat. Chat panel toggle focus. Yes. Okay. Open a new chat with Command Shift C. Command Shift C. Oh, I already have that bound to something else. This clippy thing. Read the fucking menu. Oh yeah. I am reading it. I just got distracted. New file. Workspace new file. Okay. Use command comma to open custom settings. See configuring Zed for settings. What's this default configuration? Yo, Sala. What's up, man? I'm good. We're just streaming like this, trying out Zed IDE for the first time. And yeah. It's not too bad, this stream style. I think there's so much room for improvement, but it's not too bad at all. Not even plugged in the charger either. That probably would help, I don't know. Active pane, magnification, default settings, auto save, auto update, base key map. Base key mapping scheme. Buffer font. Cursor thing. There's like nothing really about Vim inits here. Vim mode. Zed Vim init. Because I just have some like stuff like keybinds and stuff in Vim. Core differences, motions. Vim mode uses Zed semantic parsing. So percentage works with the pipe character. Oh, multi-cursor. Yeah, I can't find the, like, I guess maybe it's not compatible with like a Vim RC type. Like I use init.vim in NeoVim, but okay, that's fine. Yeah, I wanted to test out bolt.new as well. I guess I know there's so much more to do with Zed, but I just wanted to run chat games, and I mean I could have done that with any terminal, so it's fine. We definitely didn't use Zed to its full potential. Whoa, what is this? This isn't AI chat, this is like a Discord style chat, it looks like. What the hell? What the hell is this? I did not expect to be in a chat like this. Okay. Whatever, how do I get out of this shit? I'm in a call. Okay, that was a call. Interesting. Inline assist. Okay. A lot more to check out here. So Sally, you're making an app for students, AI app for students? Nice. Okay, bolt.new. I wanted to build something kind of complex with bolt.new because it seems very powerful. You haven't created an agent that translates any info you feed it into a reasonable answer to your questions that may be more ambiguous? What? My brain power is like quite low at the moment, so I didn't even get that one. Was that on purposely ambiguous question? Yeah. So some of the things that really impressed me with Bolt, like I don't know how real this is, but you can start with the blank app from all these different stacks like React, V, Astro, Vue, Svelte, like all these different options. So I was thinking like I don't know, I just pressed it for fun, and without me even signing in, it seems to, I don't know how real this is, like spin up a basic React app. You can see here it just did the npm install and stuff, and boom, we have Hello V in less than like 30 seconds. It's actually kind of crazy if that is real and not like just animations. Like if they full spun up was this called Stack Blitz? Stack Blitz, I think this company is called, that made bolt.new. They're kind of like a hosted in-browser IDE thing, it seems. Haven't really heard much about them before this, but bolt.new has been making a lot of waves and it seems pretty powerful, but looks maybe deceiving. So I'm gonna sign in and get started at the same time, even though they're two different buttons. Now, apparently, AI Code King went to make a video about this, and like when you try to log in with GitHub, it said it wanted access to everything. Is this okay? I don't know. Is that what this is? I think this is okay. I think like it's conditional access, like know which resources. I think so. Yo, Mobs, what's up? You start with AI chat in Zed, or well, I created a basic web app, deployed it on Netlify. Yeah, it seems like bolt.new has like one-click deploy here. I think to Netlify, which is really really amazing. Really amazing stuff. So okay, so when they said Vite, they meant React Vite project. Drew Diddy, what's up? What's up, man? You should try making Next.js app in one day with bolt.new. Yeah, was Next.js one of the starter kits? Or should, I guess you could just type anything here. They also accept images, it seems, and have like a prompt enhancement button. I don't see next here, but I guess TypeScript could be next. Oh, there is next, my bad. Web GPU Llama 3.2 is fast. Doesn't it like depend on your hardware though still? All right. I think I've had some ideas for things to build. Let me have a look at my notes. Bolt News only for new projects too. Like I had this add some features to chat games, but I guess you can't really extend an existing project. Maybe not. Maybe you can with Stack Blitz. I don't know. It looks hard on a coffee crash. I'm like semi hungover right now, so yeah. I figured I'd just stream anyway, just to see. I'm still waiting on my stream key, but I think these streams, I don't know, could be clippable as well. I hope. We will see. I've also kind of like grown to figure that if I purposefully make clips, that has also been a working strategy. Yeah, so I don't know. Anyway, not too concerned. More ideas. I have video title ideas, but I don't think they are projects. You have a fever. Oh no. Okay. let's copy something. Look in Discord general. We could actually, yeah, do a bunch of Discord trolling to extract some ideas. Yo, shout out to Terminally Lazy for holding it down this whole time, providing all the value, responding to messages. It's like for so long, like since I joined, it seems. Shout out Lazy. Wait, what's this? Aurora in Edmonton. Oh, sick. Oh, that's crazy. Damn, I've never seen an Aurora before. Yo, shout out Nick Home. When am I coming to the Bay Area? Yes. Um, I really want to, man. I keep seeing. I saw this hackathon in SF. Fuck, I forgot what it was. It was like on the 9th. Oh, is it? Yeah, at the Founders Inc. And if you win, you get like a working space there. But it's tomorrow. And I can't make that. I can't make that. But like next time there's something exciting in SF, I'll plan a whole trip around it. I definitely want to come back. Lazy the goat, yes, definitely. Man, I think this stream chat is so delayed. Wonder what I can do about that. All right, what else was there? Yeah, Lazy posting so much shit. I think all the good ones we've got in. No, there was actually some more. There was like this GitHub one Lazy posted. I think yesterday, which I thought was really cool. This one, multi-agent reasoning. Okay, maybe that was today. Multi-agent reasoning script creates an interactive chatbot where multiple agents collaborate through structured reasoning processes. Like that in theory sounds really cool. Like if it's just, I don't know, how big is the script? I was hoping it was just like really simple script. But it seemed, okay, reasoning.py. Okay, this is the whole script. Let's see, it's almost 800 lines. Okay, but it's a lot of comments. That's good. Can we make this nice? Yeah, buy a ticket seller. General Lithium are sponsoring a hackathon every month. Okay. With the Omi guys. Oh, with the glasses? Awesome. Was that the General Lithium hackathon? Let's check that out. Dude, Omi glasses are pretty hype too. Is this one? General Lithium, yeah. Hardware hack. Oh, that's hectic, bro. I haven't worked on hardware in so long. Oh, presented by Omi, okay. We will give you 50 Omi necklaces to hack on. Oh, shit. Or you can build your own hardware if you want. Who's OpenAI researcher? Bro, I need to fix the scroll here. Oh, the person that made this. Adi Lane. Okay. So I think reading the code is probably not the best strategy to figure out how this works. So we'll read the human readable README overview. It creates an interactive chatbot experience where multiple agents collaborate through reasoning stuff. Okay, so it's like, but what? Okay, let's go features, multi-agent. Agents are aware of each other. Chat with individual agents, structured reasoning, iterative refinement. I want someone to make this for Aider, like an Aider orchestrator. That is what I want to make. Can we make that with Zed? That's Aider, the Aider orchestrator was the idea that I wanted to build on the plane with local models. And man, my battery did not last. Okay. Can bolt.new scrape the internet as well? I don't think so. Full stack. Okay, what tech could we use? We need a Python framework probably. All right. Someone ran Aider using Agent Zero. Nice. Am I in Thailand right now? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. Let's find the Aider scripting docs. And here. I want to see how much freaking info I can give this. Alright, you ready? Use the Python library. Wait, the goal, should we do XML style? Shit, alright, let's bring up Zed. We're gonna start a new big ass prompt. Fucking indie dev Dan style. Okay, how do I make this bar go away? Let me find out that shortcut. Ooh, that's a lot nicer now. Okay, so goal to create an orchestrating software that can manage software development projects by spawning worker agents that use the Python tool Aider to complete tasks. Okay, goal, and we're gonna go docs. Docs. Wait, what is this? This isn't docs. This is sample Aider code. Aider script sample. Okay. Okay. What else should I add? There are 4 kinds of agent workflows. For an Aider orchestrator, you would need one of those. What are the 4 kinds? Actually, yeah, you guys want to read? I think I've saved some bookmarks about this kind of stuff too, kind of recently. Let's have a look at my X bookmarks. Where is the bookmarks? Here. Reflection prompt? Nice, yeah, I've seen a bunch of things that are like, this reflection prompt makes like Sonnet better than O1 and stuff. Oh, Yabai apparently is a really good window management for Mac, which I kind of want to use. Do I use Linux? Not really anymore. I did in uni, but not anymore. Oh, WitHub seems pretty cool. Well, I guess I didn't save that agent thing I was thinking of. Oh, you're asking lazy, my boy. Okay, yeah. Should I get the reasoning prompt? I think you posted it before, hey. Begin by enclosing all thoughts within thinking tags. Explore like, this is good on a base thing, but it might like have issues with what if bolt.new is already using like thinking tags and stuff. So I don't want to go too deep in this. I can definitely see like how this stuff would work good. Reasoning, yeah. Reasoning, interesting topic. Let's see what happens if I give bolt.new this prompt and like use they have this AI enhanced prompt feature. Let's see what that does with it. Oh shit. Okay, let's have a look how that looks. Can we split? Oh shit, okay. Can I make this disappear? Kinda. Goal, create an orchestrating software system that manages software development projects by spawning worker agencies. Agents will utilize the Python tool Aider to complete tasks. Okay. It's pretty much what I said. I don't think it's adding any new or useful info that I haven't already mentioned in my prompt. It's in fact, I'd say it's adding more clutter in my opinion. Same with this improve thing at the top. I don't know. I think this is good, I guess. It's kind of made requirements, something I didn't have, so maybe we'll just copy the requirements and leave everything else. I don't have my Vim keybind. Implement the main orchestrator class that initialize and manage multiple worker agents, assign tasks to worker agents, monitor progress. Campus simple CLI or API. Nice. Ensure scalability. I'm gonna, instead of this, I'm gonna say write tests for each function implemented. Write tests and test them at each step. Shit, do you reckon it'll do that? Write the tests as well? I don't know. We'll see. Put a much smaller one in Discord? Oh, fuck yeah. Let's have a look. Ooh, nice. Has assumptions as well. You're an advanced AI tackling problems on complex tasks. This is kind of in the format of a system prompt though, which is giving me like, I don't know if that's a good thing, because I don't know if this is coming through as a system prompt. It most definitely isn't. They probably have their own system prompt. So I think I'm just gonna run with this one for now. We'll just see what happens. Okay, it's like rendered that markdown Aider script. Damn, this is fast though. This is like at least Sonnet speed, if not faster than Sonnet. One thing I really like about Bolt is it has the terminal visible. Like a lot of these full stack software engineer AIs didn't have the terminal visible. At least, is this interactable? It looks like it's interactable as well, which is like even more amazing. And yeah, I think that's just very good. Looks like it's set up all the basic files, so it's definitely looks like it's either like fine-tuned or has in their system prompt to do shit with web frameworks. It seems to love JavaScript from all the examples I've seen, like TypeScript, JavaScript, web frameworks in general, which is fine with me because I also love web frameworks. But it looks like the issue here now is it has to import the whole Python shell to do this shit because Aider is a Python program. So yeah, I don't know. It just seems like a bit like at the architecture level, we probably should have just done stuff with Python at the start, maybe. I need to go to the toilet. So we're gonna let this run while I quickly go to the toilet. I'll be back. Yep. All right. So let's see what it said. Orchestrator system. To run the improved orchestrator node src index. Okay.
Yep.
Oh shit. Oh crap, it's made a CLI. Added task, test task with priority 2 to the queue. Loaded persisted data. Orchestrator started, initialized 3 worker agents. Oh shit. Enter command. What the fuck? Monitor. Current progress. Agent 1 idle. Agent 2 idle. Agent 3 idle. Tasks in queue 1. Results. Okay. We have a CLI. This is really cool. But like I kind of have no idea how this is meant to work. So I assume it didn't create a readme either. So I'm gonna say create a readme file with instructions on how everything should work, features list, and a separate doc for more technical info and contribution standards. What am I even doing? The prompt was like an orchestrator framework for Aider. Does Bolt have web access? Good question. I'm not sure. I haven't seen anything that said it did, so I assumed it didn't, and I just copy and pasted the kind of live web data that I wanted. Okay, we have a README. Who else is it contributing? Where's the README? We have a README here. Project Orchestrator is a powerful tool designed to make software development projects by spawning worker agents that use the tool Aider. It provides an efficient way to distribute and manage tasks across multiple agents. Okay, that's good. Multi-agent task framework, task queue and prioritization, process monitoring, progress monitoring, result aggregation, persistence logging. Installation, clone this repository, npm install, npm start. You can use these following commands. Okay, that's pretty sick. Source. Oh, it's actually added tests to everything as well. And then how do we run the test? With npm run test. Let's see what happens if I try run the test. Npm run test. Do the agents have any function? I haven't tried that yet. I don't think so. Like I haven't even put in any like API keys or anything. Okay, so it passed all the tests. Oh shit. That's pretty good. Added task, added task. Okay. So let's see, how could we improve this here? So it says added task, test task with priority. I think we need some kind of project management. Fuck, this is getting kind of complex, hey. Alright, no, we'll do one project, added task, loaded. Okay. Alright, let's just try the add task. This is pretty much the core function. I don't know how to work. Enter a command. So we enter add task. Do we have to follow it? Enter task description. Okay. save. Let the user configure amount of agents in this code base. Let's see if it can work on itself. Enter task priority, we don't need that. Assign task, oh shit, and then it does shit. Retrieve next task, progress updated. Error, agent 1, module not found, Aider. Okay. Let's pip install Aider. If this even has Python. Have them correct each other. Yeah, it needs a way to communicate and self-correct, definitely. Should we ask Bolt to kind of tell us how the information flows? This is an interesting project, though. We don't have pip. This whole Python frameworking thing is an issue, though, because we've gotten Bolt to create. All right, let's see if I can just give it this error. I swear somewhere I saw that it was supposed to be really good at picking up errors. I guess this kind of came out as a log rather than an error, so maybe that's why it didn't flag as an error. But I think when I was watching the demo, there was like a button, like a one-click button, like fix this error. Delegate only one task per agent. Yeah, that's definitely what we should have. There definitely shouldn't be like priorities for each agent, I don't think. Yeah, so Nads, you're right. This like it should. Okay, so here's the thing. The one-click error fixing. So we can just click fix. Okay, it's kind of 2 clicks, but there was some issue with pip. We click the button, and now it's gonna remove pip and install instructions. Okay. We're working in a web container environment that doesn't have pip. Okay. There we go. So it looks like you can't do Python projects maybe with bolt.new. Makes sense. Work on a debugger. I think this is going to be best for some kind of web project. I do have an idea. I want to make a video analysis project. Yeah. What about something that can download? Wait, can you? Yeah, I think this does Node. So download a video from YouTube and upload it to Gemini. Is that overkill? For some kind of visual analysis that you couldn't get through a transcript. Python is experimental in StackBlitz project. Go to StackBlitz, new projects, native languages. Okay, that's like in a new project though, right? Okay, let's npm test. That's what it's asking me to do. That all passed. Replace the actual Aider functionality with a simulated version that doesn't require the Aider package. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna call that a fail in terms of Python projects, but I never saw anything claiming that they can do Python projects from scratch, so we will ignore that. Can bolt new web scrape? I don't think it can, hey. Okay. Let's build, I want to build something using the Gemini video API. Gemini API node. Wait, this is just vision. Where is video? I posted it in Discord ages ago. Hold on. how do you go in Google Gemini video? It's a word that's mentioned many times. Okay. I think it was like quite a long time ago. Yes. Do they have video upload in Gemini API? Yes. Here's the docs. Do a project with Sam too. I was thinking about that too, Mobs. Wait, are you Mobs from today that was talking about Sam, or is that someone else? Oh, it was Mobs. My G. Yeah. The only thing is, I found Sam 2 on Replicate. We could do that, and I was actually thinking about doing this too, but I don't know. It's just expensive. It's like 5 cents per run, and I don't know how long the video is, but oh, this is the image one. Sam 2 video. Here. So seems like right now it's only good for basic projects or developing a skeleton. Should we do Sam 2 for yeah, look at this. 5 cents to run. Depends on your inputs, of course, but seems pretty expensive. Whereas Gemini video, I think, is free. Like for a limit, which is crazy. Can Bolt create a replacement for Elon Musk? No, there's no way. At least not as competent. Cons Vertex AI project ID. New Vertex AI project ID US Central Generative Model Gemini Flash File URI. So the video might need to be uploaded somewhere. What else could we make? What about oh, I actually wanted to create something for my site, like a live version of the chat games. And I think, yeah, I think we can do that with Next.js somehow. Like maybe we just host the elite hackers, or what other things? Oh, or I could make some kind of cool front end for this Excel sheet. I wanted to test out chat interfaces as well. There's a lot. Shout out to Lazy. They recommended Misty, I think you pronounce it, MSTY. Still haven't tried it, but it looks pretty good. Multiple chats. Offline first. Real-time data with a web search. RAG. Prompt library. Right? Is that what this is? Yes. Diagrams. I think that's pretty much the main features. Pricing. Free forever. If you pay, you get response metrics vapor mode. What the fuck is that? for one-off chats. Commercial use license, use up onto 3 devices. No sign up needed. Interesting. I'm pretty sure you could just clone this as well, right? No. Okay, so this isn't open source? Yeah, I remember trying to find it. Yeah. I don't think it's open source. Create a reboot of GameSpy or a big zombie bot army. That's GameSpy. Misty isn't OSS. They like review games and stuff, right? Okay, well that's definitely a thing that I wanna keep tabs on, because this is I don't know about this. Is OpenRouter open source? It like kinda is, right? Like the runner is has open in its name. They have their own open web UI. I don't know. Google Cloud has a Vision API for image and video. I don't know how good it is. Just check the AI Studio. Yeah, AI Studio is great. I have that here. I definitely think AI Studio is super underrated. Video editing AI, yeah. That is what I want to do. Video editing AI, but what's like, I want to do like one cool feature. One cool feature. What about every, like, I don't know. I was gonna say, like, can it do? Let's check out AI Studio. Can it do, like, extract the XY location of an image? Of, like, an object in an image? It's probably not the best model for that. How big was this file? I guess they don't keep it. Vision. Images and videos. Okay, yes. Is this what I was looking at before? No, it isn't. I was looking at some Vertex AI shit. Okay. Oh, perfect. Let's just make a front end for this. I think that sounds like fun to me. Bolt. Can I put bounding boxes on them? Yeah, pretty much. That's what I'm saying. And I saw that in their docs. Bounding box. Yeah, get bounding box. So let's say create a Next.js app that presents a nice user interface for uploading video and images, selecting which features of the API to use, and use the Google Gemini API to process the images and videos. Here are the docs for Google Gemini API. Alright. Let's see if this kind of shitty prompt will work. I like how it doesn't complain, at least, you know? It's just like, okay, this is what you want, let's try. This sounds like more achievable. It's such a cool prompt too, being like, just grabbing docs and being like, make a front end for these API, boom. Like, I want this software. Make a front end for this API. Let's see how this goes. I want to heat up some pizza. Should I eat it cold? Heat it up. Ooh, it's doing something. White screen of death, no errors. Can we inspect this? I don't think so. Code. Terminal, here we go. Terminal. Failed to download this. Please fix this. Bolt. I'll be back. Still. Is that same error? Oh, no. Oh no. Do I lose it? Oh shit. Oh, it can import your project. Oh, that's crazy. That's sick. That's so cool. Failed to download. Oh, it looks like very much the same error. Hope it can fix it. I can't be bothered reading it yet. Create a new programming language like Rust or Zig and create a terrible community so everyone hates it. And that's why I have to copy and paste it. A bit annoying. We're going to remove the Next.js specific files and set up a new V project. Okay. But does that mean we're calling the API from the front end and having our API keys there? Probably. Some hot ass pizza. Ooh. Alright, npm install again. This pizza's hot. But I want to eat it. Okay, now this definitely should have been picked up by their error detection. Mm. Wait, actually, this time it did get picked up. Um, I don't know if I press this, does it have the error message? It doesn't look like it. Let's see. Seems like there's some issues with the dependencies. No, that wasn't the issue. Stop. So it looks like it doesn't actually get access to this. Sounds so weird. You'd assume with the Vite that it would have the errors reliably, but you had that issue a few times yesterday. Kept yapping about npm install. Yeah, it seemed like it didn't have context of this actual error, but it still knew that there was some error, but it thought it had something to do with the dependencies. Bit weird. I have to tell it to ignore the error. What do we got now? Shad CN. It's like it gives you what message gave the error, but it doesn't give the actual error message here. Look, the error message is JSH command not found shad CN UI, but that's not actually even in this context, interestingly. So we can clear that and just post our own one. Oh, and we can see we have only 36k tokens remaining today. If we don't pay for Pro. It seems pretty good though. I think this is really good for like a remote setup as well. Something that you don't need to have your own like computer. Just having everything run on the cloud. Can definitely be useful in some cases, like traveling. It seems like the shad CN UI CLI is not available in this environment. What? That's interesting. I wonder why. It tried to use npx to run it, but I don't know. Is that the wrong CLI name? Not sure. Damn, we only have 3k tokens remaining. That's it. No more prompts. This better work. Damn. These are some basic errors too. Give them hell. Alright, let's see how easily we can export this code base and like continue it with Ada or something if we wanted to. So we can open it in StackBlitz. And StackBlitz is their like in-browser IDE development environment. Looks very similar to VS Code, as we've seen is the current trend of IDEs. Shout out to Zed to being, you know, kind of a bit different. Like I'd say it looks quite different from VS Code. Actually, no. The more I think about it, the less so, but still. All right. So if you wanted to download this project, there's a download button here. Download project. And there we go. We have the whole thing in a zip file. It's pretty easy. You could also use the terminal to add this to your Git. But actually, this is authenticated with my Git, so I don't know. Let's see how hard that is. If I go like, okay, no ports in use, but do they have? There's a fork button. Fork to my project. Share. Prettier. Close all. Switch to light theme. Enter Zen mode. File a bug. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try create a new GitHub repository and see if we can add this. I'm gonna call this Gemini Media UI. Public repo. And then see if we can get remote add origin, maybe. Oh, what? Okay. Seems to have some issue pasting text there. Yeah, that's weird. Huh. Yeah, paste fine here. Just doesn't paste. Oh, it's because it's too long. Okay. Okay, there's no git at all. Okay, so that definitely won't work. What about the upload zip option? Is that a thing? Is that a thing? No. Okay. Oh. Let's try this. Okay, so it looks like you can do that. You unzip it and just drag all the files into GitHub. Wasn't too hard, to be honest, to export the project from StackBlitz. I feel like they're already authenticated with your Git, so they should have made it a lot easier though. All right, well now we can use Zed. Yeah. We still have Zed open. Let's see. Okay, so doesn't look like there's a button to hide terminal. Hide others. Oh shit. That's not what I wanted. Terminal. Hide. Close. Exit. No. Okay, that's definitely annoying. Unless it's one of these. What are these icons? Project panel, align panel. Problems panel. Yeah, odd. It's odd that. Oh, okay, my bad. There is a terminal button, but there's no hotkey. Oh shit, what happened here? ZSHRC. No such file or directory vim. Actually, I probably shouldn't open that on stream. I don't know, we'll ignore it. Let's clone this. And open it. Gemini Media UI. All right. So let's try npm install and run it locally. See what happens. The hell is this? Oh, okay. I feel like this isn't even a great starting package, to be honest. I low-key want to try the exact same prompt on V0. See how that goes. Oh, damn it. I don't have the prompt. Is there a way to see it? The initial prompt? No. No. Damn. Maybe in my clipboard? Nope. do have that though. Okay, we'll do a similar prompt. Let me see if V0 can kind of use the Google Gemini API. Oh shit, they got dark mode now. This looks pretty good. Make a user interface for the Google Gemini features described in these docs. Snippet.txt. Can V0 browse the internet? Or you can make a project, you can attach files also. Let's see. Check the collections on stack splits. Let's have a look. Collections dashboard. Collections. Bolt collection. Oh, sweet. We get the prompt. Info. Oh, they even have a create a repository button. This wasn't here before. Oh, there we go. Just like I wanted. Looks like they don't show it if you go straight from Bolt. But you can create a repository. That's pretty cool. Can you look at the prompt? Doesn't look like it. Shit, V0 actually got something working really fast. This is perfect. The UI, nice and simple. Don't know if it'll work though. It's a front-end only implementation. So they didn't implement the actual API calls. Implement the API calls. Maybe, I think V0 only makes components. Oh, can it do this? We can also try GPT Engineer. That might be able to. It hasn't complained about creating the API. Create the API routes. Can we have a look at the code? Google AI File Manager. Yeah, okay. I think that's from the docs. What's this one? Add to code base. It might not actually be able to install this dependency in their browser, but like maybe if I take the project offline, I can. Which is cool. I want to try the same thing with GPT Engineer and see how far that gets us. Let's go make a user interface for the Google Gemini featured in these docs. I think it was this. Okay. What's configure do? Is this new? Oh, you can choose a check stack. ShadCN, TypeScript, think the default is just shadcn. Okay, I think this is more of a placeholder for now. I'm not signed in. All right. Let's go, GPT engineer. Okay, it's got placeholder code for the API calls. So similar to V0, it's kind of trying to avoid doing the API calls. I think because they're like, generally these two tools are more front end focused. So yeah, makes sense for them to avoid those. Okay, the user interface doesn't look as good as V0 in my opinion, but let's see what happens if I ask it to implement the API like the docs. And paste the docs again. It's definitely needed to be data cleaned as well. I think I just pasted this whole wall of text. That'll probably cost them a bunch as well. Sorry guys. Yeah, we didn't really get to try any of Zed's AI features properly either. What about their extensions? Where is that? System panel. Let's have a look at the system panel. No LLM provider selected. Okay, it has picked up my Anthropic key, but can we use Zed AI? Basic access to models from Anthropic through Zed AI free plan. Hell yeah. Goes at Google, Olama, OpenAI. Oh shit, you can change the prompt type, select the model. Zed Sonnet, hell yeah. 3 out of 200k tokens used? Yeah. Alright, we have a build issue from GPT engineer about this module, I assume. Google AI is not exported by that. We'll try to fix it, but it might be the case that you can't just install random libraries with GPT engineer as well, just like V0 maybe. Which is a bit of a shame. What's this? Insert context. All right, what options do we have? Change files, diagnostics, prompt from library. Oh, cool. I don't think I have any. Oh, nice. It's got Vim mode in here as well, which is pretty sweet. Insert terminal output. Okay, that's nice. Insert open tabs. Oh, sweet. So if we had a bunch of files open, well, we could just go /tabs. Huh? Oh, and then send. Wait, what? No. Do we have to do it through here? Oh, tab. /tab. Okay, yeah. And then it includes all the open tabs, file contents into context. You can also create your own custom command. That's pretty cool as well. Depending on what the capabilities are. If there was one like run tests and give it to chat. That would be pretty good. Okay, we have a broken thing from GPT engineer as well. No clear error message. Probably something to do with the API. The front end it's V0 and GPT engineer really good at front end stuff. When you start doing random API calls and stuff, looks like they might struggle. Okay. Yeah. How long have we been streaming for? I think I might just call it here. Bolt seems pretty good, but it seems like it's kind of, at the moment, still got a bunch of the limitations that the other tools have in terms of being able to handle complexity, and its ability to fix particular issues. You know, there's still some opportunity to make that better. Like, it's a tough one because it's like every issue is different. Like for me, I think I had some issues with node modules, it seemed. What was interesting about Bolt, it seemed like it wanted to refactor everything rather than fix like small lines of code. I found that pretty interesting. What I really love about Bolt is it has that terminal, like Devon interactable terminal. I think that's a great user experience feature for someone like me. Might not be as useful for people that are less technically minded. Like they might have no use with a terminal, but for someone like me, being able to actually run commands in the space, I think is really good. But yeah, still early days for them. I was definitely more impressed by them than I was with Replit Agent. But yeah, I mean, they're both still very early days. I think it's so incredible the rate at which everything is accelerating in the AI coding space. Every couple days, like there's some either new model that's really helping code, or new strategy, or new feature in like one of the IDEs, or so much stuff happening. So I think next year this time, it's gonna be really like far. Like the progress is gonna be so far from where we are now, just because like the acceleration has not really died down. If anything, it's increased, I think. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in this stream. I hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't the most amazing stream, but yeah, you got to see real life first impressions on Zed AI and bolt.new, and Stack Blitz a little bit of GPT engineering V0, but those are tools we've already tried before, so it wasn't first impressions. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Stay tuned. I'll hopefully be accelerating my productivity as well. This past week and two, I have been kind of in holiday mode, but starting from today, we're coming back stronger than ever. All right, peace out.